Hi there everyone, this is your friend from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada. Welcome to my channel, and then in this video tutorial I will teach you guys on how to create a Fibonacci numbers in PHP programming language. Before we continue, I would like to say thank you very much to all my subscribers to my channel. I really appreciate your support by giving me comments, suggestions, and your subscription to my channel. Let's be assured that I will do my best to give you every week newly uploaded video on computer programming tutorials, technology, and then about life. Before we start, if you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. Right now I'm running this program Fibonacci numbers in PHP. Give a number, let's say for example we give 6. When we click the OK button, it will create this result, Fibonacci series 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5. Fibonacci numbers, when we're talking about Fibonacci numbers, we are referring to a series of numbers that the sum of the previous and the second numbers are being compute. Let's say for example 0, we have here 1 plus 1, we have 2, 1 plus 2 becomes 3, and then 2 plus 3 becomes 5. When we click the clear button, it will refresh, and then it allows us to give a new set of value, let's say 8. Click OK. So we have here 1 and 2 becomes 2, 2 and 3 becomes 5, 5 and 8 becomes 13. Let us click again the clear button. Another example, we have 7. So we have here Fibonacci series 0, constant number is 0, 1 and 2 is 2, 2 and 3 is 5, 3 and 5 is 8. Now let us go with the code. Don't worry, because I will put a link in the description below so that you can download the code, complete source code for free, because the code is quite long. So we have here a comment about myself. You can visit my website. If you have some question, you can email me. I'm also accepting programming jobs or software testing, thesis, capstone projects for a very affordable price. So you can reach me in my email address. My location here in Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, my place. So we have here the HTML, CSS. Okay, so let us focus here on this code. $values post input, and then here if is set post clear button, it will clear up this variable $values equals double quotation. So sometimes to avoid any trouble, we can add error reporting equals 0, semicolon, to suppress any errors in the screen when we run the code. And then close. We have here the title, input type, the variable input text, and then display the value here. The maximum size of length is 5, max length is 5. Okay, so autofocus. So we have two buttons, the submit button and then the clear button, which are the variables. So in the submit button, we will discuss that later on. So we have here the PHP command, and then we have here a function, display Fibonacci series. So we have here the code. So $first, we initialize the value first to 0, $second, we have 1, title, first and second. So we have here first, that is 0, second is 1, and then we have here a loop statement. For $I, we start with 2, $I less than n, whatever value it is in the given by our program, passing parameters $n, increment. So the third and then the fourth plus the second value will be add equals third. So $first, second, and $second equals third. So in the $values input text, which is the value when we click the submit if I set the $_ for submit button, $end values will be passed to this function display Fibonacci series, and then we have here question mark greater than to close the PHP code here. Okay, so body close now, and then if we go back to our program and then we refresh, so we can clear, let's say 12. So we have here the series of values here that is being generated. Let's say 11, let's see 13, so it will generate. Clear 15. Okay, so 19, as long as that you want, let's say 100 if you want, so it will give us the very high values here. So let's say 50, so we have here the values now. 31. Okay, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to create Fibonacci numbers in PHP, Fibonacci number series. If you like, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video tutorial, please hit the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, share and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. This is your friend Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. Until to the next video tutorials, bye bye for now.